In this tutorial, we will explore what are the limitations of the particle model. Actually, the simple particle model that we have used assumes that particles are made up of solid spheres with no forces operating between them. So it modeled the particles as if they are solid spheres and there is no forces between them. Actually, this assumption is useful and helpful when comparing the properties of solids, liquids, and gases. However, the particles that make up substances are atoms, molecules, or even ions. For example, if we take water, we have molecules of water, H2O. These molecules are made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So these atoms, molecules, or even ions can be different in size, from the small helium atoms in helium gas to the polymer molecules in plastics, which can contain many thousands of atoms, and actually they are not spherical. So we assume that they are spherical, however, in reality they are not. And this is because the interactions between neighboring atoms, molecules, or ions can change their shapes. Now we know that atoms are mostly empty space, so real particles aren't solid at all. However, to make things easier and to make description of the properties of solids, liquids, and gases easier, we assume that they are solid spheres. However, pay attention, this isn't the truth.